Hi there, thanks for joining us. During planned oil and gas shutdowns and maintenance windows, time is limited, and safety is non-negotiable. Maintenance engineers in industries like oil and gas, petrochemical, and power generation rely on the right tools to keep turnarounds efficient, controlled, and on schedule. Let's take a closer look at the key equipment that supports safe and reliable flange work. Before flange joints can be separated, specialist tools are used to loosen the fasteners. The choice of tool depends on the application and environment. These may include hydraulic models, pneumatic tools powered by compressed air, battery-powered types, or hydraulic tensioners for simultaneous and high-precision load control. If bolts are seized or badly corroded, hydraulic nut splitters offer a safe and efficient way to remove them without damaging the studs. Once the bolts are removed, flange spreaders are used to open the joint. These can fit into small gaps and may be mechanical or hydraulic designs. The key advantage is they apply a controlled force to prevent damage to the sealing surfaces. If those surfaces are corroded, damaged, or worn, portable flange-facing tools restore the required flatness and finish, on-site and without removing the flange. And when a flange must be replaced entirely, clamshell cutters provide an efficient solution for safe removal and weld preparation before installing a new one. During reassembly, flanges that are misaligned can cause delays or leaks. Mechanical alignment tools are used to address deviations, while hydraulic models handle larger, more demanding corrections. When flanges need to be drawn together, flange pullers apply consistent force to align bolt holes and ensure proper gasket compression, crucial for a leak-free seal. Next, once everything is aligned, bolts are tightened, either individually in sequence using torque wrenches or simultaneously in groups using hydraulic tensioners. And to manage the whole flange program, purpose-designed software tools can be used for calculating bolt tightening values, tracking activities, and ensuring traceable records. With the right flange maintenance tools, turnaround operations are more likely to stay safe, efficient, and on track. Find out about flange maintenance tools at Enerpac.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.